This is Killer 2. And so, welcome you all in the $400 project. This is the Cannondale Flash F3 2010, the XC racing machine on the alloy frame, with the super light, stiff, one-legged, badass looking and very unreliable fork, fatty DLR80, which is broken. And the whole bike is really tired. Let's do the bike check. Let's start with the fork again. There is no air in it, but probably should hold it. The lockout, not working, and this is the weakest point of this otherwise really good fork. The serial number starts with Y letter, which means this is the 2010 year model. 2010, 10 years old bike, but packed with the old school features, because 2011 and 12 the bikes were getting the 29-inch wheels and through axles and different another geometry and wide handlebars. Here we have very narrow handlebars, we have quick releases, so no through axles here, light and stiff frame, which we're gonna weigh in 30 minutes, 26-inch wheels with for 2020 that would be very narrow rims, and 80 millimeters travel in the fork, and the drivetrain is 2x9, I guess. All right, we've got a lot of work to do. Let's clean the bike first, and then we will check what needs to be replaced, because for those $420, I just want this bike to be usable and ready for trainings. And after 4 to maybe 6 weeks, we're gonna get new paint and new drivetrain. Boom. Time for the disassembly. The grips tired and worn. We're gonna put those into the recycle bin. The plug broken. Now the brakes. And we've got just one bolt here because my friend who sent this bike for me, to me, forgot about these 2 bolts. Quite good condition. These are of course not the original brakes. The brakes were replaced on this bike. Now I'm gonna show you some magical trick, because in 2010 the bikes had something called the external cable routing. The life was easier, and in the winter there was a snow. On today's bike, this trick wouldn't be possible without cutting the housing. I will tell you this, it's not really a good saddle anymore. The cables and the housings for the derailleur, front and rear, needs to be replaced. Ooh, this is stuck. Now guess the wear of the chain on this bike. 0.75 doesn't come through, 0.5 doesn't come through here, which means the chain has been replaced not that long time ago, but overall the bike hasn't been ridden a lot in my opinion. So the chain stays, but I need to clean it thoroughly. If you don't have a special tool for this, speed, so it was 2 by 10. Whoops. I know now why somebody left this Lesign pump adapter or mount, because he or she simply couldn't remove it. So the thread in the frame is loosened and it moves around with my bolt. So we need to fix that. Ooh, baby. Doesn't sound good. Hoo-hoo. No servicing for 10 years since the bike was bought in the store. Oh well, this is how it looks like. Whoops! The BB30 bearings don't look really bad. No play. Now, because I want to weigh the frame, I'm gonna cut this off. Oh, stuck seat post. And here inside the hedgehog we can see the hedgehog spitting all over this tube for years. Okay, it's time to weigh this one. I found info on the Even Cycles store when they were selling this bike 10 years ago that the weight of the frame should be about 1450 grams. And this frame without the rear derailleur hanger and the slide, the plastic slide for the cables with one bolt, I haven't removed just yet, one bottle cage bolt, 1450. Yeah, that should be somewhere around 1450. Cool! That's it for today, and the full assembly coming up soon.